Hi students, today we are going to do make an estimate of the following and compare your result with the actual difference. First, let's do to the nearest tens. Our first question is 3521 minus 630. First, let's round off 3521. 3521. In this number, 1 is in 1's place. So 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. So 1 round off to 0. So 3521 round off to 3520. Our next number is 613. 613, in that number also 3 is in 1's place. Since 3 is in 1's place, 3 is less than 5. So 3 round off to 0. So 613 round off to 610. Now we have to find out the difference between these two numbers. 3520 minus 610. Let's find out. Zero minus 0 is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now from 5 we cannot subtract 6. So we have to borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2. This 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 2 minus, there is nothing, so 2 as it is. So we got the answer 2910. This is our answer. Now the second part of the question says that compare your answer with the actual difference. So actual number is 3521 minus 613. Let's find out 3521 minus 613. From 1 we cannot subtract 3. So we have to borrow from 2. 2 becomes 1 and this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. From 5 we cannot subtract 6, so we have to borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2 and this 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 2 minus, there is nothing, so 2 as it is. So the answer is 2908. 2908. This is the actual difference. And after doing rounding off, we have done estimation. So we got the answer 2910. This is how we have to solve this. Our next number is 7256 minus 2345. Let's do that. 7256. In 7256, 6 is in 1's place. So 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. So 6 round off to 10. So 7256 round off to 7260. Next number is 2345. In this number, 5 is in 1's place. 5 is equal to 5. So 5 round off to 10. So 2345 45 round off to 2350. Now we have to find out the difference between these two numbers. 7260 minus 2350. minus 2350. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. From 2 we cannot subtract 3. So we have to borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6 and this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So we got the answer 4910. Now again the second part of the question says that we have to find or compare with the actual difference. So we have to find out the actual numbers difference. 7256 minus 2345. Let's find out 7256 minus 2345. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 2 minus 3 we cannot do it. So we have to borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So the actual difference is 4911. This is after doing rounding off and this is without rounding off the actual difference. This is how we have to solve this. Now let's do to the nearest hundreds. So in that first question is 9087 minus 3525. 9087. Let's do rounding off. In this we have to see in tens place which digit is there. To round off to the nearest hundreds, we have to see in tens place which digit is there. Now here it is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So 87 round off to 100. 8 is in tens place. 8 is greater than 5. So 87 round off to 100. So 9087 round off to 9100. The next number is 3525. Here 2 is in tens place. 2 is less than 5. So 25 round off to 0. So 3500, 25 round off to 3500. Now we have to find out the difference between these two numbers. 9100 minus 3500. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. From 1 we cannot subtract 5. So we have to borrow from 9. 9 becomes 8 and this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So we got the answer 5600. Now the second part of the question says that we have to compare with the actual difference. So actual number 9087 minus 3525. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. From 0 we cannot subtract 5. So we have to borrow from 9. 9 becomes 8. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So the actual difference is 5562. It's very easy. Let's do the second one. Question is 1875 minus 261. 1875. In this, 7 is in tens place. 7 is greater than 5. So 75 round off to 100. So 1875 round off to 1900. Next number is 261. In this, 6 is in ones place. So 6 is also greater than 5. So 61 round off to 100. So 261 round off to 300. Now 1900 minus 300 is equal to 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 1 as it is, since there is nothing to subtract. So the answer is 1600. Again, we have to compare with the actual difference. So 1875 minus 261. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 1 as it is, since there is nothing to subtract. So the answer is, actual difference is 1640. This is how we have to solve this, and this is very easy. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.